Welcome to Ask Prep, where we explore history, culture, and fascinating civilizations from the past. Have you ever wondered how humans lived in the Stone Age or what life was like in the thriving cities of the Indus Valley? Today, we are diving into the origins of human progress, exploring how early humans survived, innovated, and laid the groundwork for one of the most advanced ancient civilizations. Stick around to uncover the incredible journey from the Stone Age to the rise of the Indus Valley civilization. Part 1: The Stone Age, a foundation of humanity. What is the Stone Age? A period in prehistory when humans primarily used stone tools divided into three phases: Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic. Paleolithic Age, Old Stone Age. Time frame 2.5 million years ago to 10,000 BCE. Nomadic hunter-gatherers. Major achievements: discovery of fire, basic tools, and cave art. Mesolithic Age, Middle Stone Age. Transitional period between the Old and New Stone Ages. Use of microliths, small stone tools. Semi-settled lifestyles began with the domestication of animals. Neolithic Age, New Stone Age. Time frame 10,000 BCE to around 2000 BCE. The agricultural revolution marked the beginning of farming and permanent settlements. Key developments: pottery, weaving, and advancements in toolmaking. By the end of the Stone Age, humans had begun forming communities, setting the stage for more advanced civilizations like the Indus Valley. Part 2: The Indus Valley Civilization. A pinnacle of ancient society. Introduction to the Indus Valley Civilization, also known as Harappan Civilization, flourished around 2500 BCE to 1900 BCE in present-day Pakistan and northwest India. Urban planning and infrastructure. Sophisticated city layouts with grid patterns. Advanced drainage systems and public baths, Great Bath of Mohenjo-daro. Use of standardized weights and measures. Economy and trade. Agricultural base with crops like wheat, barley, and cotton. Extensive trade networks with Mesopotamia and beyond. Evidence of goods like beads, pottery, and tools. Daily life and culture. Artifacts reveal a focus on art and craft, seals, pottery, and figurines. Possible worship of deities like the Mother Goddess and Proto-Shiva. Panch: Decline of the civilization. Gradual decline around 1900 BCE due to climate change, river shifts, or possibly invasions. Decline of the civilization. Gradual decline around 1900 BCE due to climate change, river shifts, or possibly invasions. Then write it down, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss more important videos in the future.